Hi, my name's Scott. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our newly arrived 2023 20-foot Bennington SV pontoon. We'll have a 115 on this boat. We did this boat in the Monaco blue with the silver Simtex seating, and then it also has the Monaco blue and the white accent on the interior. Really clean, really cool looking boat. Got the silver flooring. This boat has the little bench seat up here, the nice long bench seat in front of the captain's chair. You got the L-shaped layout here with the big sun pad in the back, removable cup holders, the table, the helm over here. Those are some great features. You got the kicker stereo, the Garmin Striker 4 plotter, does depth and speed on there for you. 10-foot bimini. So great boat, a lot of fun, 10 capacity. So this boat with a 115 really cruises nice. Come on out and check out this Bennington 20S. It's a 2023 pontoon at our MarineMax store in Greenville. It'll be online at MarineMaxGreenville.com. And then you can call us about it at 864-236-9005. Thank you.